Today, let's make mini Christmas garland. They're super adorable and they add that perfect pop of color. You will need felt, stuffing, ribbon, and twine or yarn on which to hang it on. Fold the felt in half, place the pattern piece on top, pin in place, and then cut the pattern piece out using your scissors or rotary blade cutter. You will have the stocking top and the stocking bottom. To sew the stocking together, place the stocking top right sides together over the stocking bottom and pin in place. Place the stocking bottoms on opposite sides and then place the stocking tops right sides together over the stocking bottom. Be sure to have the more angled edge to the back of the stocking bottom. Once you have sewn your seam, you will press out the stocking top, and then you will place these together. After you have placed the stockings together, make sure that the bottom seam is pressing down and the top seam is pressing up. This is called nesting your seams, and this will help to reduce the bulk. Then pin in place. Felt likes to shift around a lot, so make sure you pin in place to keep it from moving around. You're going to take your 3-inch piece of ribbon, fold it in half, and you're going to tuck it in the back of the stocking, and then pin in place one more time just to secure it. Now we are going to sew around the perimeter of the stocking, making sure to leave the top of the stocking open. Stuff the stocking with your filler and then pin in place. Now we are going to sew across the top to close.